This is Husqvarna's 2012 fleet package. This fleet package includes two commercial Husqvarna backpack blowers models 350 BT. It includes two commercial Husqvarna straight shaft string trimmers models 323L. It also includes a commercial Husqvarna chainsaw model 455. The zero turn in this package is a PZ6030, 60-inch cut zero turn. This machine features heavy-duty casters and frame, a rubber discharge chute, air ride seat, dual fuel tanks, rollover protection, greasable spindles, large rear wheels, a 30-horse Kohler engine with a Donaldson air filter system. Here is your control center. This fleet package also includes a 48-inch hydro Husqvarna commercial walk behind with a 17-horse Kawasaki engine. This machine is pistol grip. Here are your controls. It features one fuel tank, a rubber discharge chute, and it is hydraulic drive.